Okay, guess what I'm going to be making? No, you didn't guess. You can't even guess. I'm going to be making a low carb wrap turning into a Turkish pizza. Gonna be delightful, delicious, yummy, and you're never gonna know it's made out of wrap, not crap. Okay? Alright, let's get to it. Okay, this is our tomato basil wrap. It's simple, maybe 3-5 gram carb most, and 50 calorie. Can you believe that? Versus 200 calorie, 29 gram carbs in regular pita or dough. So this is what I'm going to be making. I have ground grass-fed beef and ground lamb mixture. I love ground lamb because I grew up with it. And then I have chopped tomato, onions, parsley, and jalapeno peppers, salt and pepper. And I'm gonna mix them. That's gonna be my topping. Basically, it's just a ground meat and tomatoes, onions, delicious, yummy. It's like your burrito, but it's open face, and we're gonna bake it. And what's gonna happen is the meat is going to release some fat juice, and that juice is going to make the wrap nice and, you know, moist inside and crispy outside. So just work it very thin. We don't want it like a burger, okay? Ain't gonna be hamburger pizza. It's gonna be very thin. And then we're gonna dress it up with all these beautiful things. Red cabbage. This is all European, guys. They don't make it in here. Shredded carrots, red onions, green onions, tomato, and pepper. Okay, so I'm gonna go put it in the air fryer. That's another thing, right? And then I also have made some Turkish mini baby burgers. I made them earlier, and I'm gonna put them on the grill. Maybe air fryer, I'll put them today. And then a couple, you can roll them in and make it a huge big Dorito. Fat, juicy Turkish pizza, lahmacun. And by the way, if you're wondering, what is this lady talking about? Low carb pizza, no way in hell. Well, I got this baby's Xtreme Wellness, Olay, and they are actually 4 net carb. I forgot, I said 5. 4 net, 100% whole wheat, flax seed, all kind of good stuff in it. Tomato basil, and again, 50 calorie. Okay, I think 5 minutes was perfect. Here's our lahmacun, and we're gonna take it out and we're gonna dress it up. Okay, so we have our a base for pizza, Turkish pizza, lahmacun. So now we're gonna dress it up. Little bit carrots, little bit red cabbage, onions, my favorite vegetable, tomatoes. I have some parsley, and there's a pepper, and we can squeeze some fresh lemon juice. Okay, and we can just roll it up, and I don't know if you have these papers at home, but you can certainly buy it. Okay. Voila. Like this. Yummy. Super yummy. Pepper. Okay guys, what are you waiting for? Stop drooling. Get your stuff. Go to the store. Buy some stuff. Make some. Huh?